How do you think our machine?
Machine?
Yeah,
Yeah, I like this machine.
you like this machine?
Yeah, this
Uh,
machine is very good.
very good.
Yeah,
The print quality?
quality is very good also.
Yeah,
Because I'm impressed by this machine.
yeah,
The quality, this machine emboss,
yeah,
uh, there's many stuff
yeah,
machine can do.
yeah.
Very
And
nice.
yeah, and show me samples.
Yeah,
Wow, the sample is very good.
yeah, sample very good. This peacock we have emboss here,
Yeah,
and this child picture, the clarity
yeah,
very clean, and we know the detail also.
yeah. And my after service is good.
Yes, this one is very good.
Okay.